Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are preparing fried rice and chicken with salad and shito, which is also called black chili sauce. Ingredients are 4 cups of rice, half cup of soy sauce, half pound soft chicken, 1 ginger garlic and onion paste, 2 red onions, 2 large carrots, 2 green bell peppers, spring onions, 4 cups of oil, and 3.5 tablespoons of powdered salt. We will also be using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Let's begin. Pour the chicken into a bowl of water and wash it off the fat and film on and under the chicken skin. Pour some water into a saucepan and add in the chicken. Add in the ginger garlic and onion paste and 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a boil for 15 minutes. Stir the chicken as it cooks. After it cooks through and through, remove it into a bowl and set it aside. Add in the soy sauce depending on the color you want for the fried rice you are cooking. Stir the soy sauce and the chicken stock together. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and bring it to a boil for 10 minutes. Now add in the rice. Stir the rice and the stock and water mixed together. Cover it up and cook the rice for 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Stir the almost cooked rice, reduce the heat and cover it up with a napkin for 10 more minutes. It's time to pour the rice into a bowl so that it cools off the steam completely. Let's fry the chicken. Pour 2 cups of oil into a frying pan and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add in the chicken and allow it fry for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Let's make the fried rice. Pour the already chopped vegetables in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and some water. Now wash the vegetables and fetch it into a colander on top of a bowl to strain it off the water. Our veggies are ready and so is the rice, so let's begin. Pour 1 cup of oil into a bigger frying pan. Peel and wash the red onions. As the oil simmers, slice in the onions and add in the veggies. Stir the veggies and the oil together. Let it fry for 5 minutes or until the water in the veggies drains a little bit. Add in the rice. Now use 2 wooden ladles to mix the rice and the veggies together until both are combined evenly. And our fried rice is ready. Let's prepare the salad. Pour another portion of the vegetables into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and some water and wash the vegetables. Remove the veggies from the water into another bowl and set it aside. Scoop 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Add Add it to the veggies and stir the veggies and the mayonnaise together. And the salad is ready. Go check out my black chili sauce video on the channel so that you will be able to make it and pair it with other meals as well. Let's serve the fried rice and chicken. Serve the fried rice with the chicken, the salad and the shito, and enjoy this deliciousness. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Make it a point to watch my videos this and every Thursday for wholesome content and amazing recipes that you can try out with your friends and family. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if this is your first time ever watching my video, and thank you for watching it till now. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. God bless you all. Let's all join hands for this channel to grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.